Hi kids! Now we will start with our first program of Python. It's a very small and just a one-line command. I will click and open Python and you will see the Python version, and this black screen is the Python shell. The three greater than signs are called the prompt. Let's enter some commands at the prompt, beginning with the command print hello kids. Make sure to include that double quotes. Press enter on your keyboard when you're finished typing the line. If you've entered the command correctly, you should see something like this. We run the code and this is our output. Hello kids, in this program, we have used the built-in print function to print the string hello kids on your screen. Now we will see some other examples to print something like my school is the best. Print my school is the best. Now it will display my school is the best on the screen. Congratulations, you just created your first Python program. The word print is a type of Python command called a function, and it prints our whatever is inside the bracket to the screen. So here you have given the computer an instruction to display the words hello kids, an instruction that both you and the computer can understand. What you learned in this topic. We simply run with a Hello Kids application. The program nearly everyone starts with when you learn computer programming. In the next chapter, we will do some more useful things with the Python shell.